Hello. It's glad to see you doing your homework. All right, so today I took a survey of all my students, and so there's 160 students that I surveyed, and I asked them what was their favorite sport. So we had, 46 of them said football, 32 said basketball, 25 said baseball, 41 said soccer. Boo. I don't like soccer. Anyways, and 16 said other. So this is my experiment here. So am I looking for theoretical or experimental probability? So which one? Experimental or theoretical? Yes, experimental. So what's the experimental probability of someone having a favorite sport of basketball? So remember my total number of students was 160. Okay? So we have basketball. So I want to know what's the probability of basketball. Well, probability is favorable, 32, over total, 160. Now don't forget to reduce this. Easiest way to reduce, they're even numbers, so I can cut them in half. What's half of 32? Some of you guys are like, one, no, well, how do we get 12? There's a 6, right? 6 and 6. Okay, so let's do 16. 16 plus 16 is 32. What's half of 160? What's half of 16? 8, yep. 80.
Teachers, pardon the interruption.
Uh-oh.
Quick announcement.
There's an interruption.
All teachers.
That's me. All teachers.
Please mark all your attendance.
Please mark my attendance before I leave. For all my classes. Okay. All right. So as I was saying, 16 over 80. Those are both even also, so I can cut 16 in half. What's half of 16? 8. What's half of 80? 40. Oh, look, I can cut it in half again. 4. What's half of 40? What's half of 40? That's 20. I can cut these in half again. 2. 10. Oh, look, they're even. 1. 5. Sheesh, so the probability of someone that likes basketball is 1/5. This means out of every here's oh, this guy's a little taller than the rest. 3, 4. He's a really long neck. Oh, geez, he has no waist. 4 and 5. Whew. So out of every 5 people, one person, let's say the tall person, likes basketball. So 1 out of every 5. So let's say if I had 500 people. So if I had 500 people, knowing this, how many of these 500 people would like basketball? Remember, every 5th person likes basketball. So if I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 500 people, it's a bird's eye view looking down their heads from a really tall building. Every 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, every 5 people, there would be 1. 4, let's pretend there's another one there. Every 5 people, there's another 1. So what would I have to do to add, subtract, multiply, divide this? Yes, divide it by 5. What's 500 divided by 5? 100. So in order to do the homework today, I want you to come to class tomorrow, and on your multiplication time test, I want you to draw 100 on the top. Then I want you to make the 100 into like some kind of a I don't know why his mouth's all like that. That's kind of crazy. I don't know why he has 4 dimples either. So any kind of like a smiley face off the 100. Because the answer is 100. Make sure you have the 100. If you have the smiley face, you did the homework. If you don't, you didn't do the homework twice, and I'm calling your parents.